I am recording this video for the students who struggle with mathematical sign, that is negative and positive. If there is plus 5 and plus 3, then after adding we will get plus 8. And if there is negative 5 and negative 3, we will get negative 8. Now suppose one number is positive and another is negative, like 5 minus 3. Then we have to subtract a smaller number from the greater number. Then we will get here 2. But what will be the sign of result here? So result will occupy the sign of greater number, that is 5. So here 5 is positive. So the answer will be positive. Similarly, if there is negative 5 and plus 3, then also we will subtract 3 from 5, we will get 2. Now the result will occupy the sign of greater number, that is negative here. So negative 2. Now suppose there is plus 3 and minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, or it can be written like this also, minus 3 plus 3, that is also 0. Now we have to solve minus 4 plus 3 minus 5 minus 7 plus 8. So to solve this easily, I am adding negative integers together. So minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, then minus 7 will become minus 16. And what about positive? So plus 3 plus 8, it will be plus 11. Now one is positive and another is negative, so we will subtract. So 16 minus 11 is 5, and result will occupy the sign of greater number, so negative 5. When I am saying greater number, I am comparing 11 and 16. I am not considering negative sign. Now we have to remember one more thing. If two signs come together like plus and minus, then the effective sign will be negative. And if there is plus and plus, then the effective sign will be plus. Also, if there is minus and minus, the effective sign will be plus. So if there is written like this, 4 minus minus 2 plus 3 plus minus 7, now we have to solve this. So to solve this, I will write 4 as 4, and negative negative will become positive. So positive 2, and this is positive 3, and here plus minus will become minus 7. So 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and the result will occupy the sign of greater number, that is 9. So plus 2 will be answer. Now we have to solve plus 7 minus minus 3 minus 7 plus 3 minus 2. So you can see here there is plus 7 and minus 7 also. So 7 minus 7 will become 0. So we can cancel without solving. Here minus and minus will become plus. So we will get plus 3, and here again plus 3 and minus 2. So 3 plus 3 will become 6, 6 minus 2. Now 6 minus 2 will become 4, and it will take the sign of 6, that is plus. Now solve this question and write the answer in the comment section.